I miss my son, I miss my mom, I miss my husband.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So tonight, the Sunday live eviction took place, and guess what? Ebuka evacuated the housemate. It was a massive eviction process tonight. Ebuka welcomed all of us to the show, and straight up, he went into the house and evicted Tega.
The next housemate to leave the Big Brother Naija Shine Your Eye house, Tega.
After Tega was evicted, he went back into the house and had a conversation with a housemate. And of course, he started up with Jackie B. He asked Jackie B that, what's up? All of you claim not to be in relationships. But you guys are acting like people who are in relationships, right? And Jackie B was like, you know what, she will call it friendship and not relationship because, most of them are like, they have feelings for each other. And then when people start doing things that they don't like, they tend to react and get angry. And that she's not going to call it relationship, she's going to call it friendship.
I think it's because we're all in friendships, let me call it that. But because there's feelings involved.
He then went ahead to ask Jaypaul, what's up with you? You won the head of house, right? And of course, you also kissed Sasuke. So which one was, better up for you? Was it winning the head of house or kissing Sasuke? And Jaypaul said, you know what? The one that was more important to him was kissing Sasuke.
I think both, but I'll take the late nights. Time that we spent together.
And then we saw Tega on stage for her interview with Ebuka, and Ebuka, Ebuka just welcomed her and all of that. And from the body language of Tega, you could realize that, she came out and she's expecting something to happen. She probably understands the fact that, come on, I am now out to reality. So Ebuka asked her that, who did you miss in the house? Who are the people you probably missed, right, while you were in the house? And she said, you know what, I missed my son, I missed my mom, and I missed my husband. And Ebuka was like, you miss your husband? She said, yes.
I miss my husband, oh my God. I miss my son, I miss my mom, I miss my husband.
Ebuka then asked her, what's up with you and Boma? She said, myself and Boma are very, very good friends. I mean, I was studying the body language, it was off. Come on, it was very off. So she said that, with Boma is just her friend and all of that. Then Ebuka now said, see, you and Boma, you guys were probably more than friends and all of that. How do you think your husband would have felt about everything you did in the house? I said, my husband is a bad guy, so you should understand.
Are you going to miss Boma though?
Yes, Boma is my friend.
Okay.
And then Ebuka moved straight into the house, and this eviction, he evacuated the housemates, right? Straight up. He went into the house, he saved Nini, evicted Michael, evicted Piss, and then saved Angel.
Nini, you're safe. Please leave the Big Brother house. Angel, you're safe. Please sit.
And then we had a performance from Rema. Before the time, we had a performance from Iris Star. And of course, after that, Ebuka interviewed Michael and Peace. And then he moved back into the house and evicted Boma.
The next housemate to leave the Big Brother Naija Shine Your Eye house, Boma.
And then as soon as Boma came out, he interviewed Boma. And of course, was asking Boma that, you know what, you were trying to, find yourself around the girls. And eventually you landed with Tega. That, what's up with you and Tega? You guys were kind of becoming intimate there. What's up with you? Are you guys more than cool right now? And it was like, no, they're not more than cool.
What's up with her now?
She's amazing. She's cool. Like, yeah.
You guys are more than cool, maybe?
What do you say?
Are you more than cool?
No, we're just cool.
Okay.
Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please go to the comment section. Let us continue our conversations there. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bells, and guess what? You get notified whenever I post a video. Go on social media platforms on Facebook, on Instagram, on Twitter, and of course on TikTok, and follow me at Femi Daniel. Until next time I come away very soon, it's bye for now.